Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineers. Today we will have a look at Element's marketplace and learn how to use it. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So the main reason why I use Element Marketplace, because right now it has Zksync Network on it. As you know, OpenSea doesn't support Zksync as of now, because as you know, we expect a big airdrop from Zksync, and when that happens, anything related to Zksync might skyrocket. And also, as you know, Zksync announced Libertas Omnibus airdrop a few days ago, and they said nearly 180,000 people will get NFTs in the next phase, but as you know, 10,000 random people got their Libertas Omnibus NFTs. According to Zksync, this was the first phase of their NFT airdrop, but this also shows they value their NFT community, so they might have extra NFT airdrops in the future. So for that, we're gonna learn how to use Element's Marketplace. So as always, you'll find all the links in the description box below of this video. After opening, actually, if you choose Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, it's just like OpenSea, a random NFT marketplace. But the most important part is that it supports Zksync and Bitcoin. Right now I'm on Zksync Network. After choosing your network, just click on here and choose Metamask to connect to the website. So right now, as you can see from top right corner, I connected my wallet. Now let's have a look at Launchpad. So here there are different projects that you can join. As you can see, there are some live projects and there are projects that is already launched. Now on the Launchpad right now, there aren't that many projects that we can join. But in the future, if there are some good projects to join on this Launchpad section, we will let you know with a video and we will make some money. Now let's jump to reward section and have a look at that. So as you can see here, you can invite friends to get rewards. ELE is the native token of Element Marketplace. You can just invite friends to get your ELE tokens. Also, if you hover over reward, you can see there's a section called airdrop. And as you can see, these are the criteria: Element trading behavior, OpenSea or gem trading behavior, Ethereum interaction behavior. You can click on details to have a look at this and learn how you can get from these ELE airdrops. Under ranking, if you click on mints, there are some projects that has collaborated with Element Marketplace. As you know, OpenSea does this too. On OpenSea you can mint different projects. Some of them has these mint phases only for their whitelisted users, and some of them does it public. So again, if we see a good project that could make us money, we will let you know with a video. As I said in the beginning of the video, you can also have a look at the Bitcoin, but nothing changes. Only the collections change, but the website stays the same. As I said, the main reason that I'm using Element Marketplace right now, because it supports Zksync. If OpenSea announces a support for Zksync, we will make a new video, and also we will inform you through our social medias. You can find the links to our social media accounts from the links in the description box below of this video. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. If you have any extra questions, you can ask us in the comments down below of this video. And also on our Telegram community global channel. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.